everybody! It is, what day is it? It's Tuesday. We decided to wake up. We were gonna do Road of Hana, but we did not have time to do it because we have family photos at 5. But we decided to come to this little park. I forgot what it's called, and I'm not even gonna try and butcher the names. But look at how pretty. So yeah, we're gonna just hike a little bit, go home, get some family photos, and get some dinner. And what's up, vlog?
What up, vlog?
What up, vlog? Okay, peace out. Hello, you guys. So, turn of events happened today. We went on a hike. We were walking through the river, and my cousin had slipped on moth. Braces like cut inside her lip. She might have to get like mouth surgery. So we're just hanging out at a beach, waiting to kind of hear what's going on with her. We're at the beach. This is my cute swimsuit. I got sent from 7 Swim. Okay, we're gonna do slow zoom. Do you see that right there? Nice little beach day. Look at this little treat we have. Do you guys see the rainbow? So many rainbows in Hawaii. Wow, look at that one. We just got margaritas. We're listening to live music. And we're missing the sunset. I literally have just been wanting to watch the sunset, and now we're here at a bar drinking.
That was your idea.
We'll see the sunset tomorrow, so it's exciting. Good morning, you guys! Sorry I keep forgetting to end the vlogs the night before. I just space it and get tired. Last night we just left Paia and had margaritas and played Mario Party. We had to kind of call it an early night because today we had to wake up super early because we're on the road to Hana. So we're doing the road to Hana. We're doing it backwards just because we wanted to hit the bamboo forest and stuff first. And your girl has already thrown up. I am such a car sick person in this drive. The whole way is just, let's see if you can see the road. For the road, oh, you can't really see it. The road is so windy, you'll see little clips, but hopefully we have a good rest of the time. Oh my freaking gosh, hi beautiful baby. Oh my gosh. So right now we're walking to what they call the bamboo forest. Up all these little stairs. So pretty. So we now made it to some waterfalls called the Wailua Waterfalls, I believe. This church was built in 1862.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Jay's Vlogs. Last day in Maui. Road to Hana today. Where we at? Where we at?
We at Hamoa Beach.
Hamoa Beach.
It's so pretty. They have like a little swing, if it will focus, over there that will show you And yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a minute. Do you want to get on the swing? Get on it. Show them how it's done. Yeah, I don't think that was done right. Good morning. What? Good morning. Good night. No, we're tired. We ended up back at the Andaz Resort. We're gonna order some drinks. Angel, say hi. We're gonna order some drinks. We just got sushi for dinner. The Road of Hana was so much fun, but we are so tired. So I'm just gonna kind of take it mellow tonight. Maybe do a little beach walk, maybe some hot tubbing. But yeah, we wanted to order a drink here because they have some live music going right now. And we're back at the gorgeous, gorgeous resort. Oh, Angel's washing the car right now and the water scared me. Good morning, guys. Look at them. How much do you guys think I should tip them? Anyways, good morning. I don't know where I left off last night. I think we were at the resort, but we met some cool people at the hot tub and talked for a while, and then just went home. We're kind of tired and we had to wake up early because today's our last day. We're actually leaving the Airbnb right now. We're just washing the car a little bit, and then we're gonna go get brunch with my family, which will be nice. Angel made me take a couple shots on an empty stomach, so I'm like trying to hold it together, especially for the family brunch, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, and then we're just gonna call it a beach day. We have to leave to the airport at like 6, so we get kind of the day to hang out and chill, which is nice. Okay, I'll see you at the beach. Hello, you guys. Welcome to our last beach day. We leave in a few hours, so we wanted to make one more last trip to the beach, and look at how lucky we got. We have this entire little cove to ourselves. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to Maui Brewing Co., which is one of our favorite restaurants out here in Maui. And then after that, we have to go to the airport, so. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it was probably a little chaotic. I'm still getting the hang of what to film, what you guys want to see, and all of that. But until next time.